Hi, I'm Jocelyn, the product manager for the Pipeline Insights Group. I am here today with our UX designer, Gina, to kick off milestone 15.7. Just a reminder for those who are unfamiliar, Pipeline Insights covers build artifacts. We cover code testing and coverage, as well as review apps and performance testing categories. Just to kind of kick us off here for 15.7, one thing that we've worked on really hard as a team is to reduce the amount of carryover in each of our milestones. If you look at our capacity table, you'll see that over time we have very successfully been achieving that goal or working towards our goal. For 15.7, our theme is focus around build artifacts and really the improvements around performance and usability. So we'll be working on a number of high weight issues, continuing to resolve storage calculation questions or issues, as well as looking at how we can increase performance by minimizing object copy across buckets. One issue I'd like to also highlight, we've seen a lot of questions around deletion of artifacts, like our expiration policies. So we are going to take the time, this milestone, to really dig into how we have implemented latest artifacts and retention policies. To make sure that we get our documentation updated and clarified for everyone. The other thing that we are working on in terms of usability, this goes to the artifacts page that we are releasing in 15.6, but we're going to start including more ability to do bulk actions. Specifically, we've had a lot of interest in delete, so that's going to be our goal for our first iteration of bulk action features. And then I'm going to turn it over to Gina to talk about our research issue.
Sure. Thanks, Jocelyn. So in 15.6, we were able to talk to a few users about flaky tests and kind of review some background research about that area in general, because our focus now is to be able to allow developers to debug failures as quick as possible. And that includes kind of filtering out those flaky tests that may show up. So this MVC will be the design for the first feature for flaky tests. And we know that they can be, we don't really do anything to say if a test is flaky or not today. So our first step will likely just be identifying which tests may be flaky and giving you kind of the definition of how we determine that.
Right, awesome. And that wraps up, thanks, Gina. And that wraps up our planning for 15.7. We are super excited to be making progress in these different areas. We've seen a lot of interest, especially in the area of flaky tests, and we're really excited to be able to start doing more work and move forward in that direction. So thanks for listening.